On this episode of Catch Me If You Paddle, we are heading to Lake Buchanan. Lake Buchanan is located west of the town of Burnett in the Texas Hill Country of central Texas. Lake Buchanan is stocked with the normal saltwater striped bass. Striped bass are able to live in freshwater and do thrive in this lake. So I found a nice piece of structure with some bait fish activity. I'm dropping my marker buoy to stay on this piece of water, and I'm casting out initially a jig, which didn't work out too well for me, and I changed up here in a second. So what I'm going to is a big 5-inch flutter spoon. I'm going to use the smoking method that it is called. So I'm going to cast it out here, just a nice pitch. I'm going to let it sink to the bottom. As soon as it gets to the bottom, I'm going to give the reel about 6 to 10 cranks and immediately engage the clutch and let it flutter back to the bottom. So check it out, see how it works. Alright, so let's try that again. I saw a bunch of surface activity behind me, so I adjusted back over here, pitched the spoon out once again, let it hit the bottom, and now I'm reeling up and engaging the clutch and letting it flutter back to the bottom, and then reeling up, and just repeat the process. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll tell you what, the freshwater striped bass is one amazing fighter for its size. If you ever get a chance to head down to Lake Buchanan, I suggest you check it out.